Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Firestein. Welcome to Open House at Sherman Oaks CES 2021. Every teacher is probably going to say this sentence. It's been a wild year. Yeah, it's okay. Great. Open House is supposed to be this great celebration of what we do in the classroom. My classroom has looked very different this year, but there's still a lot to celebrate. So what I'd love is if you could locate on this website your kid's class. And then I provided links to a wonderful little accomplishment that they did over the last few weeks to let you kind of know where we ended our year. The emphasis this year was on synthesis writing, putting multiple perspectives and ideas together, and then presenting them effectively. So reading, writing, speaking, and listening. That's kind of what we do here in English. I hope I've given you something to be proud of your kid over, and then you can watch it together and then give them a big hug. My email's on this page. If you'd like to set up a conference about anything, you are more than welcome to. If not, please enjoy the hard work of your kid and have a good night.